This is wrist extension, pails, and rails. You're going to start by pulling one of your hands as far back into extension as possible, seeking the stretch on the front of your forearm. You're going to hold for as long as your coach prescribes. At the end of that time, you're going to keep yourself at the end range of motion as you use your hand to push into the hand that is resisting it. So you're going to try to push your fingers away into the hand that's holding it back. You'll hold that for as long as your coach prescribes. Once you're done with that sequence, you will then try to pull your own fingers into the range of motion that you previously were pulling yourself into with your other hand. And you'll hold as long as your coach prescribes. So, passively pulling your own hand into wrist extension, contracting your hand at the end of wrist extension by trying to push away into your own hand, and then pulling your own fingers into wrist extension with the hand that's working. This is wrist extension, pails, and rails.